In front of me is a S10 Plus clone, and I will show you how to access the boot mode. So we'll start off by powering up the device using the power key and tap on power off. Now once the device is off, we will hold power once again and volume up. So let's do that. And now as you can see, we're in boot mode, and right here you'll navigate this by using the volume up to navigate and volume down to confirm. So from here you can access the fast boot mode and recovery, where you can flash the phone, or you can just reboot back to normal. So I'll do that and confirm it with volume down. And as you can see, now the device is powering back on. Okay, so that is how you access boot mode. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.